time, I'm only a step away from Australia, in New Guinea. In the highlands, I find valleys full of conifers, pines and fir trees. I'd already been told where the Angu mummies were to be found, so it was just a question of making up my mind to look for them. There they are, well protected from air currents, stuck to the sacred rock and observing the lines of the Kukukuku. The members of this tribe used to be fierce warriors who fought neighboring tribes. Then they fattened up their prisoners for a time and ate them. So delicious. They mummified their leaders and their warriors who had fallen in battle. They placed their bodies in the fetal position and, without ceremony, smoked them in the kitchen. When things started to smell, the wives tore the skins off the bodies and extracted the entrails to give them to the nearest relatives to eat. Seemingly a very invigorating delicacy. Then they smoked the bodies for 4 or 5 more months until they were really dry. Then they took them up to the sacred rock and left them in bamboo baskets nailed to the ground, where they were left gazing into infinity. Another variation was to hang them from the trees. Nowadays, there are few tribes who continue to mummify their dead, and cannibalism is practically wiped out, though there are still occasional isolated cases. So just in case, I'm leaving.